Ben Kripto Pixboy, arkadaşım Can Savaş, ben Gökay Özel. Bugün MetaEarth'in etkinliğindeyiz. Her şey çok iyiydi, çok yenilikçi ve güzel bir proje. Mutluyuz.
So we're here at the Istanbul Blockchain Week, but it's our side event. As usual, we like to do things in big. Many people are arriving and soon the speeches will start. We have food and drinks as well, and I'm gonna interview KOLs, record some content.
Can you describe this event in a few words?
Yeah, of course. So we are MetaEarth's side event here at the Istanbul Blockchain Week. What is MetaEarth is a modular blockchain. Okay, so we are faster, we are more cost effective than the other blockchain. But we have something very cool the other projects are not doing. We are doing a decentralized ID on-chain. So it's basically a bit what Web3 needs to go toward mass adoption, I think. Because unfortunately, I know Web3 people don't like KYC, but we will need KYC in order to get institution, and to get toward mass adoption. So we do that, but decentralized. So all your data is stored on the blockchain on an hash code, basically. You just need to show your Me ID, that's how it's called, is this hash code. And you can prove your personhood and eligibility without exposing your data. So lots of KOLs are around as well. Lots of people that are signing up for the Me ID. Our users are growing every day, so it's actually very good, guys. Hi Noyan.
Hi.
How are you?
All good, man. Thank you. How about you?
Good. Thank you for coming. You are a KOL.
Yeah.
It's a cool job nowadays.
Yeah. Not bad. I know worse jobs than that.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's also many people that claim to be KOL and then they're not. So I'm gonna test you now.
Okay, then, if you want.
I'm
can give it a go. No, we can give
We're
it
gonna
a go.
play a game.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ready for it?
Let's hope so.
You need to explain Bitcoin without saying the forbidden words.
Oh. It's money. It's worth of digital gold right now. Very worthy, and it's one of the best currencies on the world right now.
Yeah, you did great.
Thank
you did
you.
great. Did you know about MetaEarth before? Or
No, I've learned it here. It was a great experience. I personally like the UBI,
Yeah.
the UBI system.
Yeah.
It's very helpful to producing extra incomes for them. It's revolutionary.
It's a big vision. I think it's something that is possible with crypto.
Yeah.
So crypto can literally empower non-wealthy people.
Yeah.
For myself,
So-
I am Mehmet. I have an investment and marketing agency, and also recently we created an offline event company that we have been hosting offline events.
Nice.
Primarily in Izmir, different city in Turkey.
Okay.
He's primarily a trader.
Okay.
I am a more or less a people person,
Okay.
business development side, partnerships, etc. And also we have an investment fund that we focus on OTC investments. I think it is pretty interesting, and I heard first time something like that.
Okay.
And I would love to use that because it makes really easy for our things, for our jobs, especially for traveling. And we love traveling, and for both business and for touristic goals, we are doing lots of traveling. And in the future, I believe this will really help us a lot. He thinks it is really a great system because Visa is
Genel olarak
the
bir ülkeye giderken senin direkt Me ID tarzında seni tanıtan bir CV gibi bir şey aslında. Visa CV'si bu şey.
Visa is a great problem for some of the countries in the globe. Each country has their own different identification system.
And also, this can play as a DAO as well to vote on regional things. You can use your Me ID to vote on things. So for now, it's just governance of the network, of course. But our vision is that tomorrow, like every country will use Me ID. We are aiming to have 200 nodes, so one for each country. So with your Me ID, you can vote on things on your region. Let's say like they have to install something on, I don't know, for fishing on the beach. Like, does everyone want it? Yes, and everyone can vote yes through the Me ID.
Oh.
So that's our vision.
So basically, MetaEarth's will be regulated and it will be complies with the KYC process.
Yeah.
And anyone in the world can understand and see it easily. And
That's our vision.
Oh.
Yes. Do you think this kind of technology could also help in conflict situation, maybe like when there are wars or things like that?
yeah, of course, I think it will be helpful because from the current status, Ukraine and Russia at war, each of these countries has different legal structure and different procedures for their own countries. And if we had this system onboarded, everything would be easier
Yeah.
because it makes communication easy.
yeah.
It makes everything easy.
Yeah.
He says that actually it will be more beneficial during the conflicted process because it's an unusual time and it makes everybody's job easier to understand and locate what
Yeah.
is what, which is
Yeah.
which, and it will avoid lots of battles.
Yeah. If you have to cross the border or things like that.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you would stay like couple of days, maybe couple of weeks,
Yeah.
waiting
Waiting.
your procedure.
Yeah. Also, like in Army ID, you can swap token as well. So it's also a way, to use crypto in moments that the government may fail, and currency may have high inflation. If you have something that is attached to your ID as well, you can have cryptocurrency to use. I think it could help.
Yeah, we totally agree.
Yeah.
It's a great system, and we will probably following closely and see how it goes.
Okay, two young KOL came here at MetaEarth's event to find out more about our project. Can you tell us about, about your journey in crypto, about your page, and also what you think about the event?
The event was really good because it was funny. Some events and some questions, some rewards for the joiners. So that was great. Also, I'm Crypto Fix Boy, as you said. As you know, I'm 22. I'm the young guy. You said that. We are in crypto for 5 years. We are friends for 5 years too. So we learn crypto together.
Oh, that's nice.
We are making some businesses together. We have influencer marketing agency, and I have my own channel.
That's so cute. I like
Yeah. I think the MetaEarth is the really new generation app because I see many things new in the world, in the project. I listened to the girl inside and I shocked because I have seen very new things before I didn't see. So I think it looks great. And Turkey have some, I think Turkey is bad for economy, So some people wants to sleep and wants to get money. And I see a program in here. You register to the website, you get one MAC, am I right?
Yes, exactly.
You get one MAC and you will sleep, you wake up and you make something. The Turkish guys is so broke, so they want free money and it's really available for them, I can say. So it looks great, I think.
Yeah, crypto can change the wealth disparities in general. Yeah.
At least they will start.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Merhabalar, Noyan ben. Burada İrem'le birlikteyim. Me Network'ün bu güzel dünyasını keşfetmek için buradaydım ve çok iyi bir etkinlik oldu. Çok mutlu olduğum için teşekkür ederim.
I have no idea what he said, but I hope it's good.
Yani